Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my March Empties video. But before we get started, I did want to let you guys know that I've mentioned this before, but I didn't get any feedback on it, but I'm just going to mention it again. I do get the Shaker and Spoon subscription box. It is a cocktail subscription box. I don't get it every month. I skip some months, but if you guys are ever interested in that, let me know down below. I also have been getting Purple Carrot recently because we just have not been inspired, so I wanted to go with a box that would just tell me exactly what to make, and Purple Carrot's all vegan. So if you guys are ever interested in seeing what comes in our weekly Purple Carrot boxes, let me know and I can try and figure out filming one of those videos for you. If you hear noise in the background, Fran is chasing a toy around the room, and I think that's all I have to say. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about is more like 4 things. And it is this pack I got in a subscription box. This is the, I think, trial pack for dry skin and hair. So it had a shampoo, a conditioner, a face wash, and this is just in the little wrap, but it is the body bar. It's like a moisturizer. And I did not care for the shampoo. It crumbled almost immediately. And the body bar was kind of the same. Once you got it warmed up, it became so malleable that it just shifted shapes in your hand like putty and became kind of difficult to use. The face wash is decent. You just lather it in your hands, wash your face. It's not the most exciting thing. I'd probably never repurchase it, but it's not bad. Same with the conditioner. It does go through the hair and stick and condition. It does its job, but it's also just kind of fussy. I like bar shampoos, but I don't think I like bar conditioners. I'm going to use it because it does get the job done. It's just not my favorite medium for that kind of product. So I wanted to share that because I'm going to throw the body product and the shampoo away, but I will finish using the face wash and the conditioner. Now, moving on, let's grab the big stuff first. I finished the Hello Natural Mint mouthwash, and that's my favorite mouthwash. I continuously repurchase it and still will. So that's a good one. I finished the Bausch & Lomb Bio True contact solution. I have no idea if this is vegan and cruelty free, but I don't really know how to figure that out for contact solution. To be completely honest, if anyone's got information on that, let me know. But my eyes are very picky and my eyeballs do not like most contact solutions. For some reason, they happen to get along with this one, so this is the one I'll keep repurchasing. Next, this is from Necessaire. It's the deodorant in eucalyptus. I swear to you, like, I've only used this a few times. I'm gonna give it to a friend to see if they have better luck with it. This makes me smell worse than I would if I didn't put deodorant on at all. It's awful. It's just absolutely awful. I don't know what the deal is. It doesn't necessarily smell bad in the container, but like, this makes me smell worse than I did in the first place. So expensive ass deodorant down the drain because it's gonna go to someone else. It's not great. I think I had another deodorant in here too. Yeah, I have the Primal Pit Paste in Lavender, which also just does nothing for me. Doesn't make me smell worse like the Necessaire does, but this just doesn't do anything to help keep me not stankin'. So that's gonna go too. Not a great month for deodorant, but I've got a good one I'm using right now, so I'll tell you about that one in the future. But yeah. From Beauty Host, we have the Lavender Pore Refining Mask, and this was just a nice little fun mask. I don't think it did anything remarkable, but they're fun to do. I finished the Sleepy Shower Gel from Lush, which is a nice one. I love the smell of that. I want to say Austin got me the same exact set last Christmas, 2 Christmases ago, that he got me this Christmas, and I think both of them had this Sleepy Shower Gel. I love that stuff. It smells really good. I used the Cocoa Betty Coconut Oil Wipe that came in a Medusa's makeup box, and I've mentioned this before. I don't love the Cocoa Betty wipes, but they will do a decent job removing makeup. They just leave a really oily, slick, nasty feeling behind, which is why I don't like them. So not something I'd repurchase, but every time they come I will use them. Next we have some floss. I think we have 2 flosses. We have Better by Design peppermint floss. Now you want to make sure you don't buy the silk one. I think they sell silk floss as well. You want to make sure you get the vegan one, but this stuff is really good and I feel like it gets between your teeth really well, better than like normal floss. And the other thing is this lasts forever. Like this package in particular lasted me eons, which I cannot say for this one, the Quantum Easy Clean Dental Floss. Though to be fair, I didn't buy this. This just came in the little kit that they give you at the dentist every 6 months. So yeah, finished that. Not something I'd repurchase. I'd probably consider repurchasing this one because it actually lasted a really long time and I feel like it did a really good job cleaning between teeth. This is another item I'm just getting rid of. This is the Medusa's Makeup Cotton Candy Lip Scrub, and I'm getting rid of this because it smells disgusting, like absolutely disgusting. Whatever was in there as the scent agent has definitely gone off, so I'm just gonna empty this, clean out the thing, and recycle it because I can't even pass this on to a friend. It just smells really gross. I also have another item I'm just getting rid of. Well, I'm going to give this to a friend. This is from Plentitude and it is the Sublime Glow Nourishing Cleanser. This was just a very creamy cream cleanser, which is not really my favorite type of cleanser, but I have a feeling someone else probably likes this format. So I'm going to pass it on to a friend who I know will pass it on to another friend if she doesn't happen to like it. But yeah, not my favorite form factor. I can't really speak to the cleansing. I'm sure it does a fine job. I only used it once, but yeah, not my fave. I'm gonna pass that along. I finished up from Public Goods their lip balm. This is the one I kept in my purse and I just used the whole thing and it's a pretty good lip balm, honestly. This Public Good one is definitely a good one. So if you're looking for a good basic chapstick, or maybe your husband or male family member who doesn't want a colored lip product is looking for one, or you know, even my mom would never want to wear anything with color, even if there's someone else in your family, just any person in your life looking for a good basic chapstick but wants it to be vegan and cruelty free, this is a good one. I finished up from Moonlit Skincare the Sleepy Spritz Facial Toner Sleep Mist, and I did not use this as a facial toner. It had a lot of the same ingredients as the mist I used before that was just for misting around your bed at bedtime, so I used it in that application and it was fine. It smelled delightful. This isn't something I'd put on my face, but I did make use of it. I finished up the Uni Count to Zen Rejuvenating Hand and Body Cream. The smell is just not my favorite smell. It doesn't smell bad by any means. It's just not my genre of scent, so this is not something I'd repurchase, but it was a perfectly fine moisturizing lotion. And then I finished the Best Little Mascara Ever, which I really liked. I thought this was a really nice mascara, especially for fuller lashes, and definitely something I'd consider buying again. I thought it was really good. The final item here is something that I was using, and then Austin stole it from me. So I don't know if I'd repurchase this for me because I just found that it was just alright on me. But Austin loves this stuff. It's already been repurchased for him. He is a fan. And this is the Biosense Squalane Marine and Algae Eye Cream. He loves this stuff. So I'm just glad he's getting into skincare, even if his favorites are expensive. And that is everything I used this month. Definitely let me know if you used any of these type of products, what your favorite empty was for the month. Give this video a thumbs up, comments and questions down below. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye.